Hello, I am Tracy L. We're going to talk about the ladder of life today. Do you know what that is? Let me show you. Okay, I'm an energy healer, a coach, yes, and a hyper intuitive. Born that way, near-death experiences. If you read my book, which you can get below, you know. If you want your own personal, read it now, which is your own video message. And clearing and energy clearing, not just a reading. I will clear the energy for you. You can click that below in the read it now. Okay, I call this the ladder of life. I teach this a lot. If you've been in my classes, you know what I'm talking about. But have you ever wondered if your challenges are so hard, why they're so hard, and what is the reason? What is the reason? Why am I here? Right? Everyone asks that. Okay, I'm a really bad drawer, but I'm going to show you. These are steps, okay? Steps going up. Here they go. Here you are. You come in. Here's your family. Here's you. Everybody's in this playing field. Okay. You go about life and you're thinking, why am I here? What am I doing? I'm not here to pay taxes. I'm not here to die. I'm not here to just be your slave. There's more. And you get this longing inside of you and you want more. You're sitting there going, I know it. I feel it, right? So when I'm teaching, you guys know that the universe, God, divine, I say thank you, God, all the time, which is energy of love to me. You do what you want. And then there's Mother Earth. Well, Mother Earth, you only get to use her energy while you're here, right? So use it wisely and be kind to her. But what people forget is your body. This is where all the information is coming from to guide you through the ladder of life. So your thoughts, your feelings, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, psychologically, all those things, right? So what happens is you're going through the ladder of life. And what I teach you in Body Regen is how to move this energy, right? You can come join me there. So I'm going to give you this concept. This is what I love. You go and all of a sudden you wake up. Okay, so maybe you guys you're going to school, you're getting a job, you're following the authoritative narrative. Awesome. So here you go. You guys are moving up the ladder together. Okay, now you've woken up. You went to school and you went, why am I here? This doesn't make any sense. Why am I a slave to the wage? Doesn't make any sense. Why am I in these abusive relationships? Doesn't make any sense. I've been with a narcissist. I have. Oh my God. Oh my word. Yeah, right? Why did I pick you? What am I learning? Oh, why do I have all these abandonment issues I need to work through? Been there, done it. Can you relate? Yeah. You can work through them. I did. You can for sure. So then you wake up and these people are the ones you can't wake up. These are the ones where you're like, they don't want to know what I don't know. They don't want to learn anything. So they stay here. Now you jump up another ladder. So another rung on the ladder. So here you are. I've been teaching this for years, so I thought you guys might like it. Now you have a little bit of a divide. Okay. So then what happens? They kind of start to irritate you. You get frustrated. Maybe you don't want to be around them anymore. Or it could be friends and you're like, oh God, I don't resonate with them, but I'll tolerate them. Well, then you learn some more. You learn more about, where we're going. You learn more about the 5D energy. You learn more how the authoritative bodies have screwed you over. You learn more that, wait, I'm here for more than just paying taxes and being a slave and dying. Oh, you jumped up another ladder. You learn you want to find more peace. You want to take better care of your body. You're shifting the energy. Well, look at the division that's happening now. Look how far down you have to go to get these people. Now you're very frustrated. Now you're very irritated. Now you're like, get away. How was I born in this family? You push those friends away. They don't move, but it's okay. You still love them. You're just evolving. You're changing as a soul. You've activated your blueprint and you're moving and you're shifting as a soul. So what happens now is you keep evolving. If you stay on your journey and you make yourself a priority and you keep learning, you keep bettering your life, whether it's your health, whether it's your wealth, which your wealth is your health, or whether it's your love of self, connection, dedication to you, right? Connection, dedication, very important. Commitment. I would say my version of CDC is connection, dedication, and commitment. Okay, so you're here. You keep moving, and then one day you decide, it's your time to go. You go back up to the heavenly realm. Perfect. So now your spirit, your soul, right, takes a whole collection of all the things you learned and grew. If you choose to come back, you will come back, but say you come back here. So people always say, well, why don't I always come back with the same people, even though we may be in the same soul group? They didn't move. So they may have to come back 5 more times before you ever see them again if you choose to come back. If you don't choose to come back, that's fine. They may, but they have a lot. They didn't grow. They didn't do anything in this lifetime. They didn't move up the ladder. They stayed a slave to the wage. They just, thought that it was my house, my kids. That was it. and they didn't grow, they didn't change, they didn't connect. You know, again, look at all the people who have a lot of money and they don't even help other people. We know those. Even look at a lot of movie stars, same boat, right? So the more you move up the ladder, the more you evolve. So I wanted you to look at that as moving up the ladder of life. So again, back to the video I did about snakes and ladders, right? You fall down the snake, you learn, you go up the ladder. I don't know about you, but I don't like snakes. I don't like snakes at all. They've scared the crap out of me. I always would call, like, I meet a lot of business people in corporate. I'm like, snakes in suits, snakes in suits. I always say they should have people never wear a suit. They should always wear what they would normally wear, because you probably would think twice about doing business with them, because a lot of them are just out to get what they want to get versus how are we helping each other. In business, it should be about always helping each other, but see, it hasn't been set up that way. When I was in corporate and sold my first company in 96, I'll tell you, what did I see? They're all stepping on each other to get where they want to get ahead. They're not helping each other. It's toxic. It's been designed that way. Designed to keep you small. So when you break free of all of that, you climb up the ladder. These people, they just don't move. Love them. You can love them and let them go. You can love them and forgive them. You can love them and do whatever you want. But you must understand that now your mission, your job, born into that screwed up family, like I was, right, then is to still love them. And we've all made amends and stuff, whatever. But I wouldn't be where I am without them being the way they are. So you want to love them because you grow and evolve, because those people come to make you grow and evolve. They come to help teach you by you learning and waking up, and your body's so uncomfortable and you're like, get me out of here. My body is so uncomfortable. Get me out of here. Get me out of here right now. That's the secret. And the secret to changing your life is understanding, what are you really here for? What are you really here for? It's the same thing that's going on in the world right now. The world is going through a dark night of the soul. How many dark nights of the soul have you gone through? That I will do another video for you. Have a great day, everyone. I send you a lot of love. Oh, wait, let's pull a card today. I'm going to start this. What energy do the people watching this video require to shift? Comment below, like, share, subscribe, as always. Helps us. Thank you, God, right? Thank you for being here. Thank you for not having a short tension span and learning and making yourself a priority. There's a reason they made everything short tension span, because they don't want you to learn. They don't want you to grow. Okay, what card do we need today, Spirit? Let's see. Increase your awareness, which is exactly what we did today. I love these cards. You can get your own copy below if you want, but thank you, God. Just say thank you, God. I'm going to receive the energy shift of increasing my awareness. We're going to increase it on every level and layer. And Spirit says to increase the awareness of your surroundings. So what they're saying is your surroundings, things that are happening around you. So let's increase the awareness so you see what's happening around you. It doesn't interfere with you, and you are stronger to make decisions for where you need to go next. I love it. Thank you, God. Have a great day, everyone.